Are you missing the Boston Market's famous creamed spinach? This copycat recipe is even better than the original. It's creamy, rich, and ready in under 30 minutes. You're going to start your white sauce. So you are going to melt butter, whisk in flour, and salt, and gradually add milk. And you are going to stir this until it is thick and smooth. In another pan, you're going to saute onions in butter until they're transparent. Then you're going to add in frozen spinach, a splash of water, cover, and cook until heated through. Finally, you are going to combine these two. You are going to stir in your white sauce and add a little bit of sour cream to make it extra creamy, and stir it until everything's perfectly blended. Put this in a serving dish and you are ready to go. Now you have creamy, restaurant quality spinach ready for your dinner table, perfect with any protein or just a slice of crusty bread. Follow for more restaurant copycat recipes that'll save you money and taste even better than the original.